Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by anchoring the side of your palm just behind the bridge saddle, about 0.5 to 1 centimeter of contact. Use a medium pick and hold it firm but relaxed. This gives consistent attack and prevents unwanted noise. Strum a single open string and slide the palm until the note chokes. That sets your mute point. Once done, practice downstrokes slowly at 60 BPM, increasing speed as your palm becomes precise and pressure becomes even. Now refine control by varying the pressure and location of your palm. If you move it slightly toward the bridge, you get more sustain. Closer to the saddles yields a tighter, snappier mute. Use lighter pressure for a chunky groove and heavier pressure for a near-dead percussive sound. Once comfortable, coordinate the fretting hand to release slightly on accented notes to let them ring. Practice alternating 8th and 16th patterns with a metronome, increasing BPM only when your timing and tone stay consistent. To finish, focus on economy of motion. Keep strokes small and use wrist rotation to increase speed while maintaining mute consistency. Practice short bursts, 2 bars on, 2 bars off, accelerating gradually. This prevents tension. If a passage sounds uneven, slow it down and isolate the treble spot, then adjust palm placement by millimeters and tweak pick angle until clarity returns. One key troubleshooting tip: when notes suddenly sound uncontrolled, reset by reducing pressure and repositioning the palm, then rebuild speed deliberately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.